Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm just going to be doing a bit of skincare and it's just a Sunday pamper day. So I'm going to be trying out a new mask and a lip exfoliator. So let's get into it. The mask I'm going to be trying out is from a shop called Mayongo. It is a Korean shop and I've actually saw it for the first time in 4 ways, and I saw this mask and I thought, let me try it because I've heard that the Koreans are one of the best in terms of skincare. So anything that says brightening, I'm here for it. So this is a micro essence mask. It has vitamin, I think it should be vitamin C, brightening skin vitality. So there's steps on how to use it here at the back. So it says step 1, cleanse face and apply toner. Step 2, gently apply the mask on the face. Step 3, remove the mask after 15 to 20 minutes and let the essence be fully absorbed by skin. All right, and then we have the Switch Beauty. This is a beauty brand on Instagram and they have a website. So this is their prime time kit. It has a lip exfoliating gel and a matte balm. So it says the lip prepping gel removes dead skin, dry flaky bits on your lips to create a smooth as even base. The lip priming balm hydrates without being greasy. This allows your lip color to go over smoothly and stay on. So especially for someone who wears a lot of matte lipsticks, you do actually want to remove the dead skin off your lips. So just like how you would exfoliate your body and your face, you also want to exfoliate your lips as well. So we're first going to apply the mask on. And then while the mask is on, we'll do the exfoliating part. So obviously you want to take this off. So this is just the plastic, but it does have some of that serum on, so I'm just gonna put it on my face. Oh, it feels so nice. Doesn't smell that great, but yeah. So there's quite a bit of the serum coming off, so I'm just going to drag it to the neck as well. You want to keep your neck as youthful as possible. So this mask was, I think, 40 to 60 rand, so I think it's quite affordable. So this is how the kit comes out. So you have the exfoliator, step 1, and then you have the priming balm, step 2. So there's instructions at the back on how to use it. It says apply the gel liberally onto the lip area, wait 60 to 90 seconds, then use circular motions with your fingertip to rub the gel until you see dead skin starting to roll off. Repeat if necessary and wash off. You'll be left with a clean, even base. Okay. Okay, so we have it on. We'll leave it on for 60 seconds. Now that I've applied the gel, I'm just gonna rub it in. And can you see the flakes the dead skin is starting to lift. So I'm going to rinse this off, then I'm going to come back and apply the lip balm. I've taken off my mask. It has been 15 minutes, so I'm just going to rub in the serum that's left. So you don't want to rinse your face off because obviously you're going to be removing the serum and all those vitamins out. So just massage it in. Now I'm going to apply the lip priming balm. So it says apply the balm after lip prepping gel and before going in with the lip color of your choice. Lipsticks, especially matte formulas, can be super drying on the lips. Using both products and the Prime Time kit ensures that your lip color looks and feels bold. So today I am not going to be applying any makeup. Yeah, I'm just taking a break. I think people probably think because I do like makeup tutorials that I have makeup probably every single day. No, 90% of the time, honestly, I do not have makeup on. It's very rare that I have makeup on. Like if I'm going out, special occasions like a wedding, a party, if I'm filming obviously, but yeah, other than that, nah. It smells nice. Oh, it feels so soft on the lips. Oh, my lips feel so soft, guys. Oh. Thank you guys for watching this really quick video. I just wanted to show you guys that sometimes when you do just want to have a pamper day or a spa day, it actually isn't that expensive. I'm not too sure how much the lip kit is, but you can check it on Switch Beauty website, so Switch with a double I. And they're also on Instagram, so you can check out their prices there. But skincare products, some of them can be really affordable. So yeah, I'm also going to be trying out a few different masks, so be on the lookout for that. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your love and support. Let me know down in the comments section below what else you guys would like to see from me. Before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Worth 1,000 Words. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you guys would like to do the same, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button. It's in red down below. And also click the bell next to it so you are notified of every time I post a new video. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.